But let's see why macro catalysts are lining up for Bitcoin, a new report from the brokerage firm said. FTX's collapse was the catalyst for a new bullish cycle in cryptocurrency markets, brokerage firm Bernstein said in a research report Monday. The crypto exchange's demise cleaned up the final tranche of toxic crypto leverage and taught digital asset investors the importance of decollateralization or decentralization, and self-custody wallets. It is nice, the report said. It is nice that, like, I get a warm, fuzzy feeling when I see, because on CoinDesk for the entire past bull cycle, self-custody and decentralization were not really at the forefront of its journalism, right? The actual forefront was NFTs, CeFi, utilizing platforms that basically just like FTX, Celsius, and all of that. And everybody just in the bull run completely forgot about decentralization, self-custody. When I would talk about it, people would be like, well, I'm just going to go make the money anyways. I don't really care. This doesn't matter, blah, blah, blah. And it's nice to see it back in the forefront. I like to see this. It puts a smile on my face. I get a warm, fuzzy feeling. We're back in the. You need the bear market to remind people not to be dumbasses, right? Like, that's pretty much what it is. You need it to remind people, hey, you were being an idiot, and when you were calling me an idiot for telling you it wasn't a good idea to utilize centralized services. And I'm glad you're back and you realize what the point of all this was in the very beginning, right? Macro catalysts are aligning for Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, the note added, with continued weakness in U.S. regional banks and further deposit outflows toward money market funds, and the big four U.S. banks all reflecting concerns about the centralization of money. Quote, any potential dislocation, whether on the bank's credit side or on the sovereign side, positions Bitcoin perfectly as a safe haven asset alongside gold, end quote. Analysts, I don't know how to pronounce that name, and Manis Argowal wrote. So they're basically saying, they're equating now, and these are macro analysts, right? They're basically saying Bitcoin is gold now, which has not been the narrative even through the bull run, right? And not what was actually happening with correlation with stock markets. But like I said, now we're seeing something very different happen with Bitcoin. This is kind of like, it's almost like watching Bitcoin grow up right before our eyes. Bitcoin has rallied 80% this year, with prices surging 23% in March amid multiple bank failures in the U.S. Ethereum's native token. Ether is up 76% year to date, according to CoinDesk data. Ethereum implemented its highly anticipated Shapella hard fork last week, opening the doors for users to stake and unstake their Ether at will. Ether rallied 13% after the software upgrade, lifting the broader market higher. The Ethereum blockchain's fees are up threefold, reflecting the growing user intensity in token prices post-FTX, the note said. According to Bernstein, the new crypto cycle is still not fully appreciated, with a number of positive factors lining up. These include macro catalysts, a new Bitcoin mining cycle, the continued successful upgrades of the Ethereum blockchain, and the success of Ethereum scaling products such as Arbitrum. Quote, the opportunity to build a new institutional financial stack on the blockchain remains a worthy goal, and serious participants remain focused on the long term, end quote, the analyst wrote, adding that this will be the first crypto cycle which will see participation from leading institutional investors. Do you think that's true? Because we saw quite a large amount of institutional investment, and then all of the banks that were basically facilitating that got run on. Right? That's what we witnessed. SVB, Signature, Anything that was helping facilitate institutional investing stateside got wiped out. So I'm not so sure that this will be the institutional investors will be the driving force behind this bull run. Thanks for checking out this clip from the Crypto Mining Show. You can check out the full episode here or more crypto content down here. Also, I'd like you to check out my locals page at sonofatech.locals.com, where you can become a member for free or choose to be a $5 a month supporter that unlocks additional content.